guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Dannie Bella, and today we're going to be making tacos and Puerto Rican rice that I got from one of my friends. And I am just adding in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm just letting my pot get hot as soon as I am putting in my olive oil so that it can get hot. So I let it sit for at least 1 minute, and then I also put in 2 cups of water. I just eyed it, but it is definitely 2 cups. I tend to just look at things and just automatically just put it in there. And then I will be adding in some other things, and I will be adding in my chicken broth, and you can use whatever chicken broth you want. I mean, I don't think it matters, whatever kind you like. And then I'll be adding in my sofrito sauce, 2 tablespoons. I added in a little bit extra because I didn't use the tomato paste that a lot of people tend to use. But then I'm also using 2 tablespoons of seasoning that will make it taste so good and have an extra flavor to it. And then I will be adding my 1 packet of 5 grams of salon goya. And sorry for my accent, my Spanish accent is not as good. Comes to a boil, you want to pour in your beans and let it boil for at least 1 minute before you pour in your rice. And I am going to be stirring it for just a few seconds, so just so the beans can go around and just get the taste and the texture of the other stuff that I had put inside the pot from before. Now you just want to pour in your rice, and I just poured in about 2 cups of white rice, or you can use the short green rice, and you just stir it. And once you stir it, you will want to put the lid back on and seal it very tightly so you can let it sit for 20 minutes, and you want to put the level on low medium. And now I'm just gonna start my meat for my tacos. And I know a lot of people put different things on their meat. Sometimes people use the beef and sometimes use turkey, and here I'm gonna be using beef. And I am putting pepper, and I'm also putting different seasonings on it, and I will show you guys how I put it in my pot. After I've broken down my beef, I will be making guacamole, and this is my favorite thing to make when I am making tacos. And I don't let my wife make it because I love making it a certain way, and I have a precise way of how I like making it. But I do add onions, tomatoes, pepper, salt, and parsley. And sometimes I'll add cilantro just for the taste of it, and also lime. And here I am just pouring in my onions and my tomatoes, and you guys will see how it turns out in the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching one of my cooking videos, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you guys know every time I post a new video, and I will see you guys in my next video.